We're talking today about headaches, and headaches are likely the most common health concern in North America. When looking at the stats, it shows between 8 to 9 in every 10 people in North America suffer with headaches. Now, some of those are occasional, some are frequent, some are dull and throbbing, and some are like they're debilitating. There's a lot of pain and nausea, like migraines. There's a huge wide range when it comes to headaches, but they're very common, unfortunately, in our current environment. The pain is uncomfortable, but the bigger issue with headaches is that having these recurring headaches can weaken your body. It can cause fatigue, lower your vitality, and really set the stage for sickness and disease. Now, what causes headaches is when blood vessels or cranial nerves in the skull and the brain, when they get stretched or compressed or irritated, then headaches are the result. The most common cause of that is subluxation, and that damage to the spine damages the nerves, and that leads to these problems and the outcome of what people deal with in headaches. Now, just like you can have a cavity in your tooth and be unaware of the damage it's causing, subluxations many times are causing damage, sometimes for years without your knowledge, until the symptom shows up. And what causes these subluxations is any physical or emotional stressor the body can't withstand usually results in subluxation. And this is my story, and how I found chiropractic is when I was 5, I had an accident. I was jumping off something I was told not to, but as a 5-year-old was doing it, and I broke my nose. And I started to get headaches after this. And the headaches were so bad, I wasn't going to school very much. My mom being a nurse, first place we went to was our medical doctor. And my medical doctor growing up was also a good family friend. He was actually my godfather. And the result my parents got, though, from all of the testing and things there is that some people get headaches, and the only solution they had was for medication. So I'm 5 taking these pills for my headaches. And because I was doing it so often, I started to get these digestive problems as a side effect of the headaches. My mom being a nurse, an old style nurse, so really believed there had to be a cause of the problem, and really believed in the body's ability to heal itself. So luckily for me, my parents are a chiropractor, and they took me to their chiropractor. First thing he did, though, instead of just chasing the symptoms, he was looking for cause. He took an x-ray of my neck and found out that normal C shape I was supposed to have in my neck, it was damaged. I was subluxated, and I told my parents that's the reason Brian gets headaches. But if left, much bigger problems in the future. So I started care. 3 months later, my miracle came. Headaches gone. I've never had one since, and that was 43 years ago. I've never had one since. And the reason chiropractic works so well is because chiropractic looks for the cause of the problem and correcting the underlying cause that is causing the headache, rather than just giving painkillers which only temporarily treat the symptom. I'm pretty sure everyone knows that you don't get a headache because of lack of Tylenol or aspirin or whatever your favorite brand of painkillers in your body. So just taking the painkillers never going to allow you to overcome the headaches. And an increasing body of literature is showing that headaches are caused by the damaging effects on the cervical spine, the neck, which then puts pressure on the nerves and spinal cord, and that chiropractic is the most efficacious way to overcome or fix that. In a randomized control trial performed at the University of Denmark, showed that within 30 days, those under chiropractic care decreased their use of painkillers by 36%, and the number of headache hours decreased per day by 69% compared to the control group who were not under chiropractic care. So if you came to us with headaches, you now know why you overcame those. If you know someone who is suffering with headaches, please share this with them. You could improve their day. You could change their life to a life without headaches.